Love will never party, don't know it from the start. Me tell them say I'm dirty, yeah. A Sean Paul and Sasha.
Make me holler, make me sing. I can't get till tenderness.
It gives beachy and nice.
What is it about you, baby?
Hey guys, so let's install this wig by Wiggins. They sent me a loose deep wave 24-inch wig. First, let's get into the unboxing. So of course you get a milk band and an edge brush, and it also has the glue applicator thing so you can like spread out the glue. You get a scrunchie, ball cap, HD ball cap, a cute bonnet, and of course a travel size wig bag, so you don't have to bring this box with you. So now let's get into the wig itself. And bro, oh my god, this wig looks so good. It is a pre-everything wig, HD lace. Look at that hairline, bruh. Pre-plucked, pre-bleach, and it is a 13 by 4 frontal, so you get all this wig space. Like, bro, look at this. Look at the lace on my hand. Stunning. So this is the curl texture, and it just looks so good, bro. I can't wait to put this on my head. Okay, let's start. First of all, get our ball cap. Okay, so now we're gonna cut out holes for my ear. So you just make a tiny cut here, then you just take your ear out. See? We get our spray to hold down the ball cap. I'll be using the Wonder Lace Bond.
And I make your body twirl, and I make you wanna be my one and only baby girl. Night after night, make you feel love to keep you warm. Girl, you never get this kind of loving from your bond.
Now we're going to blow dry, and lately I've been liking to only put my hair dryer sitting on like low or cool, because with these wigs and the wig glue, because I'll be doing glue, it's not glueless today, I find that anyhow you sweat or you feel any form of heat on your head, that glue is not going to dry clear. So my dumbass forgot my foundation. So we just gonna rock it like this. I mean, it's close. Anyway, so now we just gonna trim up the excess. People only do this step to protect their edges. Sometimes I can't be bothered and I just put the glue directly on my head, and that was like a rough cut, and now you just make it like this. You see?
Body twirl, and I make you wanna be my one and only baby girl. Night after night, make you feel love to keep you warm. Girl, you never get this kind of loving from your bond. I know you want your cat, then we just can't perform.
So today's glue of choice is Bowl Hold Active. Oh yeah, Active Reloaded. So this is supposed to like give me some good hold and last a very long time. So we put it on the edge of the ball cap. Now we're gonna use the brush that I was telling you earlier and just, you know, smooth that glue out. And now we just wait for it to dry, and then we apply our second layer. So now I'm gonna like get one tail comb and like really press the lace into the glue.
me fling control a girl. And I make your head swirl, and I make your body twirl, and I make you wanna be my one and only baby girl. Night after night, make you feel love to keep you warm. Girl, you never get this kind of loving from your body.
So now we're going to band. For a good amount of time. You know, EK says band for an hour, but me can't bother with that. But band for more than 10 minutes. Okay, so once you feel the blood leaving your ears, it's time to take the band off, for me at least. So now I'm going to make a cut right there. Get my eyebrow razor and start cutting. Okay, so I did my edges and my lashes just now. Now we're going to spray the hair and get it all nice and curly. And then I'm gonna use a brush once it's really saturated. This is the brush I usually use, even for my natural hair. See? It just glides through the hair. So, defined, not defined. Okay, so now let's take off the band. Okay. So just, I like to like push some of the hair back to get like some volume. Like that. But this is how it's looking. I'm gonna show you guys the full thing. So this is the finished look. You see, this is 24 inches and look how long that is. Usually people say 24 inches and it doesn't reach that. This is almost like it's at the top of my lower back. So yeah, I love this curl pattern. I feel like it gives beachy and nice. So make sure you guys check out the link in my description box. And thank you, Wiggins, for sending me this wonderful wig. Bye, guys.
Never get this kind of loving from your bar. I know you want your cat, but just can't perform. I know you get the little loving of the God. Don't know how to love me. I never get this kind of loving from your bar. I know you want your cat, but just can't perform.